Good morning, grade 5 learners. We are back again. Good to see you. I hope you are still staying safe and keeping fit. Yeah, last week we treated environment. The environment are the things we find around us, or the things we see around us. Yeah, so we'll continue with that same topic, but how to care for the environment is what we'll be treating today. How do we care for those things we find around us? Number one is, it's always expected, before I go straight to number one, it's always expected that we take care of the environment, because with the three religions we have in Ghana, God, Allah, or the Supreme Being instructed that all that He has created, we have to take good care of them. And there are ways we take care of them. Number one is planting of trees. You know, when we keep on cutting the trees, deforesting the trees, causing the land to become desert, then we are going wrong. So we plant more trees. As you cut one, it's expected that you at least plant 2 trees, so that we will continue to keep the environment healthy. Because if you remember, the trees or plants, they produce oxygen that we human beings use in surviving, and animals as well. We breathe in oxygen, which the trees generate, and they take in carbon dioxide. So it's expected that we plant trees every blessed time, especially when we are destroying some. Number 2, watering of flowers. Yes, flowers keeps our environment beautiful because they make the place refreshing. So it's always good, especially during the dry season. You know, we have 2 seasons of the year, the raining and the dry season. Where we have the dry season, where there's no rain, it's expected that we water the plant, we water the flowers to refresh and to keep the environment healthy. Number 3, weeding around homes. Yes, these plants, these trees, these grasses, they grow because it's their right to grow, to survive, especially when the place is fertile, when the soil is fertile. So we cannot leave it and start living in a bushy environment. So we have to clean the environment by weeding it regularly, because at times too, mosquitoes, they harbor on these the grasses, they reproduce, and we fall sick when the place is not well weeded. So to take care of the environment also, we have to weed our homes, around our homes all the time, to keep us fit and healthy. Number 4, maintaining a garbage bin. Because of the activities, human activities, we always have waste product. We always have waste, which we have to dispose, because when we leave them around us, they cause different kind of illnesses. So we have to keep the environment, to take care of the environment. We have to have good dustbin that we can keep this waste. Then when it's time, we take them to a disposable place, all to make the environment neat and clean. So number 5, using sensible ways of burning bushes. Yes, at times it's expected that we burn bushes, bush burning. But burning these bushes indiscriminately is where there is a problem. Where we keep on burning a particular spot, we kill animals, we kill plants, it's wrong completely. So even when we are doing some of these farming methods in order to plant our crops, there are certain kind of methods you use, specific ones that you can use in burning the bushes, and it will not cause any harm. Number 5. Okay, no, that is number 5. I treated already. Burning, using sensible ways of burning bushes. Number 6, avoiding unhygienic pile of refuse, which leads to spread of diseases. Yes, it's also related to number 4, maintaining a garbage bin. Yes, piling of refuse is wrong, keeping them without disposing them. The government created some specific places, even some companies that comes to take our garbages and dispose them far away. It's always advisable we join one of those groups, so that our garbages, our bins, should always be empty. Otherwise, animals, mosquitoes will start breeding on, rodents will start building, like mouse, rats will start building there and keeping their babies there, at the same time creating the place unhygienic, thereby we will now start falling sick. So these are the ways, some of the ways we take care of the environment. For now, for your class, we only treat 6 ways. I said caring for the environment. Number 1 is planting of trees, which is also called afforestation. Number 2, watering of the flowers you have around you. Always plant flowers, they refresh the environment. Number 3, weeding around homes. Number 4, maintaining a garbage bin. Number 5, using sensible ways of burning bushes. Number 6, avoiding unhygienic pile of refuge, which leads to the spread of diseases. So this is what we'll be treating today, and you have an exercise 13. So I hope you understand what I've taught so far. With what I've explained, you use it to answer exercise 13, and there's no option to it. There are no options. There are direct questions. Number 1, who is referred to as the supreme being or creator? Who is referred to as the supreme being or creator? Number 2, what was created on the 4th day? What was created on the 4th day? Number 3, what is an environment? What is an environment? Number 4, who is responsible for taking care of the environment? Who do you think is responsible for taking care of the environment? Number 5, the last creation of God is according to the Bible. These questions, they are all based under the topic of environment. You can go back to your previous lessons, and this present one, you'll be able to answer the questions. They are very simple. So I hope you'll be able to do it. They are number 1 to number 5. Then when you finish, you send it to my WhatsApp line. We'll meet in the next class. Bye-bye.